Hey everybody, this is Taylor with Gamma Edge coming at you with a quick market status for Wednesday, October 12th. Here we have our general disclaimer. Give this a read all the way through. When you've done so, let's move on. Here we have the tick US model. Change in trend hasn't changed from what we discussed over the weekend and into yesterday. We did see a bit of a head fake in the cumulative tick this morning to early afternoon. However, we never really cleared the moving average ribbon, so there wasn't a ton to act on with this. We did close below the moving average ribbon on the day. So again, um, same condition as we ended yesterday. Filtered tick, saw a little bit of buying, but this was ultimately erased to the end of the session. New lows outpaced new highs. So if you didn't look at the session at all today, we are in essentially the same spot that we ended yesterday. Here we have the tick ARCX model. Again, all of our signals are turned off. Similar price action comments to the US. So if you all have any questions on the US or ARCX model, feel free to pop in the Discord, ask away. Here we have the SPY Gamma dashboard. Green is kind of the price action that I free-handed today. You can see the significance of the 350 and 360 levels. I'll note that negative GAX did shift down to 350. These two levels are prominent. Think of them as our goalpost. Right now it is containing price. However, be watching throughout the rest of the week, see how these levels grow, decline, shift around, see if we do contain price or trade outside of the band. So here are the SPY daily chart. One thing to note here is price is flirting with local lows here. Break of the local lows would be inclined looking towards this key price level of 340, 342. If we do hold here, could see some kind of move to 365 and then again towards 385. Here are the hourly chart. I just wanted to know the price level that we're trading in. You can see our key gamma levels of kind of 360 right here, and in the recent weeks 370 right here. These have also been a big gamma level. This is kind of containing our price for the moment. But again, one other thing, we are flirting with the bottom of this zone. This will be a natural kind of make or break moment. Either we take out the lows or we see some kind of bounce first to this midpoint where we see the 10 EMA. We'll probably meet it again. We should get some kind of price interaction. Or again, we either see a continuation up to top of the zone or a rejection here. So again, harp on it day after day, but need to have our if then statements for multiple different scenarios. Here, 5-minute chart, we're just zooming in, kind of in the bottom half of the range we were just talking about. We have a key price level here overhead, a lot of rejection happening Monday and in today. So again, need to be aware of this level, and then also the downside target that we're at too. Here, I wanted to hit on the intraday chart. We have this overhead resistance that we were just talking about on the previous slide. A couple different things I want to talk about. So from the pre-market highs, Anchor VWAP offered you a couple good opportunities to get in, shorting into the Anchor VWAP. Once we did hit the lows, a VWAP from those lows offered you a couple good entry points long. As long as we continue to hold those lows, these are kind of common setups that we do see throughout the session. Lastly, what I wanted to hit on is this key kind of resistance level, as you can think of it, area of interest. Did make a high on the day, however, proceeded to make lower lows. Again, could have shorted on this third lower low into this level, and obviously didn't know at the time that we were going to have this massive meltdown, but again, this was just a high probability trade. You'd know right away if you were right or wrong, and kind of got the kicker of this massive move down. So just a couple different entries for y'all today. And that's what I got for you guys. First off, I want to say if you guys are enjoying this free content, subscribe to the channel and like. Would go a long way for us. Second, GameEdge.us, where you can find us, free 2-week trial. Pop in any questions from this presentation. Ask away. Full tools are turned on for you guys, and Gamma Edge is our Twitter. So with that, best of luck tomorrow, and we talk to you tomorrow night. Bye.